Hi everyone, it's Deb back and I have got a unboxing. My Kitaholic Kits June kits arrived. Pretty excited. I had a peek in here. Haven't pulled things out but just had a peek and absolutely love the colors. I love that we got this girly kit because it's my birthday month, so I get to create with some pretty girly stuff. So let's get in and have a look what we got this month for June. So mixed media kit, we got some Dilutions shimmer sprays. So we got a teal. Oh, that's pretty. I can see the shimmer in there. A teal, a pink, bubblegum pink, and a yellow, pure sunshine. And I can see, oh, they are so pretty. I can see a lot of the shimmer there. So that is the 3 sprays we got. Then we've got our Katie Mixed Media Mini Stencil, and that is on the back here. That is an example of what you can create with the stencil, and the actual stencil, oh, that's cool, looks like that. So that is the mixed media kit. Wants to roll away. That is the mixed media kit for June. Okay, on to the embellishment kit, and we've got Charms Creations little felt and fabric heart. We got one last month and I used it straight away, so I'm so glad that we got another one. We got a full pack of wood veneer. It's from Kaiser Craft and it's the wooden flourish pack. Amazing. So you've got hearts, flowers, banners, words, and I think there's some arrows in there. So really cool. Little pack of wood veneer there. This really, I saw this through the plastic and I was like drooling. Dear Lizzie puffy stickers. This is from the Stay Colourful line, and a lot of the product that's in the June kits this month is from this line, and aren't they just cute? I don't really really would have much use for a cat mermaid or a permaid, but I do have a little one who is into all of that. So unicorns, mermaids, I mean unicorns are huge at the moment, would all suit pages for my daughter Ava, or just any kind of cutesy layout really, or Project Life spread. So a lot of cute icons on here. That is so cool. Then we get the Dear Lizzie washi tape book. 48 pieces. So, wow, 6 pages. Oh, here we go. There's a look on the back. So, oops, see if I can turn it the right way. So you get all the washi tapes, and there's a few bits of washi that are in banners and triangles and circles, and so very cool. We get a little pack of goodies. So we got some doilies. Always love doilies, and they always go so well with the girl layouts. We got, oh, this is pretty. We got some sequin trim, gold sequin trim. I should just pull all this out, shouldn't I? Okay, so we got a little fabric heart, and oops, dropping them everywhere. And we got some die cuts. So we got some gold die cuts, a tab, arrows, and we got a few little vine die cuts as well. Okay, so and then we get an alpha, and I think this might be Doodlebug. skinny cardstock stickers. I think they might be called swimming pool, but they're a teal. So they will go with the collection really well. And you got numbers and alphas. I got lowercase and capitals as well. So very cool for the embellishment kit. So onto the main kit, and we've got the Dear Lizzie die cut phrases. So you get a whole lot of phrases to use on your layouts. And I have said this a lot of times before, if there is something that I can use instead of making my own title, I will definitely use it. Love it. Makes creating go so much faster. And they're gold and white glitter, so that is cool. We've got from 7 Paper Studio Calico icon stickers, and there's 24 in there, and you can see these kinds of things, they go so well with the Dear Lizzie, and the colours match so well as well. So then that's them, Darcy, if you're interested in that. Some more pre-made titles. These stickers are sparkle glitter foam stickers, 58 of them, and I love this font. It's like skinny scripty font, and it's glittery, and there's a few stars on there, so that is pretty cool. And as I said, the title's already done for you. Oh, this is pretty. Dear Lizzie die cut shapes, there's 40 of them, so you can see, yeah, matte gold accents on them, so hopefully you can see on the back. Is my camera showing that properly? I'm trying to see some of the icons that you get in the pack, and it's pretty much like that puffy sticker. It's like all cutesy stuff, flowers, swans, mermaids, and you get tags and journaling bits, cameras, bicycles, butterflies, so really, really cute. So there is that. Oh, we got a pack of sequins again. I went through the last pack of sequins so fast. So love this. Sorry, my light's glaring on the package underneath. Love this, and they're like round sequins. They're not the traditional hexagon type sequins, so that's interesting. Very cool. We got the exclusive die cuts, so I'll give you a quick look at some of these. Dropping them, so you get hearts and tickets. There's a banner, and I think I dropped some on the floor, did I? Arrows, swans, lots of journaling little bits to write your journaling on, and I think I dropped a flower. Yep, flower and an arrow. So, and there's a few more still in there, frame, butterfly, and as I said, you get lots of little journaling bits to write on. So we get into the papers now. So all from the Stay Colourful collection, as I said. So this one is called Farah Forever, and it's got the butterflies on one side. And I don't know if my camera will pick up that spot. It's like a white spot on the background. Let me see if I can adjust this light. Hang on, is that any better? Not sure. But there is a white spot on the background now. And what I love about this is that you get the full branding strip at the bottom, so you can use that as well. So there is that one. Oops, I lost one of my die cuts here. This one is called Lava Lamp. I love this one. Reminds me of an agate. Wow, they're pretty colours. Okay, hello to you too. There's always traffic and noise in the background of my videos. Then you got a teal background with hearts. This one is called Bell Bottom Blue. Lots of floral on that side and a grid type thing on the other side. Sorry, there's lots of words then. 8 tracks, so you got the multicolour spots and a stripy with polka dots, kind of pinky peach colour on the other side. Oh, this one's pretty. Far out. So you get the beautiful floral on that side and what looks like donut sprinkles, multicoloured donut sprinkles on the other. And then we get the vellum, which is matte gold on vellum, and it's got the beautiful floral on, yeah, is it going to show up on the vellum? I don't know what I'm saying now. I'm lost for words. Lost my train of thought. So that is the main kit. Okay, onto the pocket page kit. So we'll start off with this little bag of goodies here. And we've got enamel dots, we've got some grid paper, some doilies, twine, and some glitter, butterflies. God, I don't know what's wrong with me today. And the paper clips. So that, or did I already say paper clips? I'm sorry if I did. So that is our little bag of goodies in the pocket page kit. We got the exclusive die cuts. So just gonna pulling a few out. So you've got words, tags, little library card, journaling card, and lots of other bits and pieces in there to help embellish your pocket pages. And also you get the pack of labels as well, so lots of labels in there to journal on. We got our Corbett Creations acrylic word for June. Then we got the Pink Fresh Puffy Alpha stickers in yellow, and I have been loving this in our pocket pages for the last couple of months. I think last month I used quite a few of them. I don't think I've got much left. They are perfect size. I love them. Okay, so we also got the accent and phrase stickers. So you get 68 of them, and they are got the matte gold as well on them. So lots of little icons and words and hearts and different things to embellish. Isn't that unicorn so cute? Okay, so we also got the cut apart sheet. So this one's called Jive Talking. And there is 3x4, 4x6, 3 banners. That one looks maybe 4x4. Yeah, I'd say it looks, yeah, it's a 4x4. And these washi type strips. And on the back is, I love that colour. That is so pretty. I'm glad I got extra because I really love that. This one is called Radical, so a whole heap of different cut parts on that side and the polka dot on the peachy, no, what colour? Yeah, it would be peachy corally colour. So there is them two. Then we got the 6x6 papers. And what I love about this is that you get to make your own Project Life cards. Oh my god, there's a llama! That is so cool. And it says super cool. So I believe that each kit, like you get half of the 6x6, I'm sure. So different people will get different halves of the book. So I'm going to give you a flip through of what I got. I don't know if it's half, but you get a lot. So this, along with those cut aparts, you can make. Oh, isn't that so cute? Oh, the llamas. Oh, it's hard to flip it this way because my camera stands in front there. So I hope you can see that. Lots of different patterns, and I did pick up from the, see, it's hard to hold it, it's just trying to hit my stand. Oh, that's pretty too. I did pick up the pad of this as well, so I've got extra paper to work with this. Oh, that's pretty. Work with this month. There's that. Oh, I like that one too. That, and the little cut aparts on the front. So that is pretty cool. So just a few things extra. I did pick up an extra piece of that vellum, the gold matte flower vellum from the shop. And I also got an extra sheet each of the cut aparts. And I also picked up the paper pad too. So I've got a full, what am I trying to say? A full 6x6 paper pad to play with as well. So next video that'll be up on my channel will most probably be a scrapbook expo haul. It's Wednesday today, so hopefully I'll get this video up today. If not, it'll be going up tomorrow, which is Thursday. So, and the Scrapbook Expo is on this Saturday, and I'll be meeting up with some of the girls on the design team, as well as Steph. I'm sure Morgan's going too, so I'll be me, Morgan, Corinne and Steph. So that will be fun. I'll be sure to take lots of photos and try and do maybe a little vlogging while I'm there. Hopefully the Craft and Stitches show is on too, so I'll be going in to look at that as well. So but that's most probably what my next video will be. I'm so excited, can't wait to go. I will leave all the links below to Kitaholic Kits, including a link to the playlist of all my videos over on Kitaholic Kits YouTube, their Facebook group, their fan group, and their website. So if you're interested in any of these kits, you can pop over there. I'm not sure how many of the June kits are available. I did read something, maybe there was, I don't know if they're sold out or not, but I'll leave you a link. So if you are interested in the kits and they are sold out, you can email Steph and jump on the waiting list if there is one. I'm not sure, to become a subscriber to the kits because they are fabulous. So until my next video, I'll catch you guys. Bye.